11 unique facts about the human body that are rarely known. There are many unique facts about the human body that are rarely known. For example, the eyes blink about 20 times per minute, and the heart muscle works without fatigue. The human body is made up of cells, tissues, organs, and complex systems. It is not surprising that the parts and functions of the body that we use every day have unexpected facts and explanations. Human anatomy and special abilities, such as the cerebrum and the opposable thumb, play an important role in developments in this world. From ears to toes, there are many unique facts about the body that are interesting to learn. Unique facts about the human body. Here are some unique facts about the human body that are rarely known. 1. About 1 liter of saliva is produced every day. Based on research in the July to September 2009 issue of the Journal of Medicine and Life, saliva production normally varies between 0.5 and 1.5 liters per day. Saliva helps the body to enjoy the flavors of food by helping to break down food into smaller pieces. It also helps to mash and mix food, making it easier to swallow and digest. 2. Eyes blink about 20 times per minute. Citing Healthline, the average person blinks 15 to 20 times per minute. Blinking helps the eyes stay healthy by keeping them oxygenated and moisturized, and removing debris. Each time the eyelids close, secretions from the tear glands sweep over the surface of the eye, removing tiny dust particles, and lubricating the open part of the eyeball. 3. Heart muscle never gets tired. According to BBC Science Focus magazine, the heart muscle is made up of specialized cells called cardiomyocytes. Unlike other muscle cells in the body, cardiomyocytes never tire. Cardiac muscle resists fatigue very well because it has a lot of mitochondria to produce energy. 4. The skin is the largest organ in the body. Launching WebMD, the skin is the largest organ of the body, with a total area of about 1.8 square meters. The skin protects the body from microbes, helps regulate body temperature, and feels the sensations of touch, heat, and cold. 5. The body makes more than 3.8 million new cells every second. The body consists of many cells that are always regenerating. Research in Nature Medicine shows that more than 3.8 million new cells are made by the body every second. Most of these cells are blood cells and cells in the intestine. 6. The femur is the largest bone. The femur, or femur, is the largest bone in the body. Citing BBC Science and Nature, the femur covers the hip and knee joints. Its function is to help maintain an upright posture by supporting the skeleton. 7. The brain and heart are made up of 73% water. According to H. Mitchell in the Journal of Biological Chemistry, the brain and heart are made up of 73% water. Water helps brain cells communicate with each other, clears toxins, and carries nutrients. Water is also important for a healthy heart so it can do its job and pump blood more easily. 8. Ears and nose are always elongated. Launching Discovery, the ears and nose are always elongated. That's due to gravity, not actual growth. As we age, gravity causes the cartilage in the ears and nose to break down and lengthen. Research estimates that the ear lengthens by 0.22 millimeters per year. 9. The length of blood vessels reaches about 96,500 kilometers. Although the blood vessels are relatively small, the tissue is unusually long. In fact, if all the blood vessels in the body were placed in a line, they would be about 96,500 kilometers or 60,000 miles, according to U.S. estimates. The National Institute on Aging. Given that the circumference of the Earth is 40,070 kilometers, according to NASA, that means the blood vessels in the body are equivalent to more than twice the circumference of the Earth. 10. An adult human brain weighs 1,300 to 1,400 grams. Without us knowing it, the brain turns out to have a significant weight. Launching very low mind, the average adult human brain weighs 1,300 to 1,400 grams, while the average brain length is about 15 centimeters. Men tend to have bigger brains than women, whereas in women, the frontal lobe and limbic cortex, areas associated with problem solving and emotion regulation, tend to be larger than men. 11. About 50 to 100 strands of hair fall out every day. The American Academy of Dermatology Association reports that about 50 to 100 strands of hair fall out every day. Hair loss every day is part of the body's natural renewal cycle. Each hair follicle goes through a cycle that includes a growth stage, anagen, and a resting stage, telogen, before hair loss. This cycle repeats as long as the hair follicle remains active and continues to produce new hair. That's a unique fact about the human body that is rarely known.